Sony is clearly not playing safe this year with the Sony Xperia VIII. This is shaping up to be one of its boldest flagships yet. First off, the design shift is the biggest talking point. That classic Sony vertical camera strip is gone, replaced by a more aggressive square camera module. And this isn't just for looks. Inside is rumored to be a serious upgrade, including a large telephoto sensor up to 1/2 inch and a 48-megapixel main camera. That's Sony finally leaning harder into computational/hardware camera power instead of just pro camera branding. Performance-wise, it's going straight into ultra flagship territory with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. No surprises here. Sony is aiming this squarely at creators and power users. The display stays classic Sony, a 6.5-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED with no punch hole, thanks to the top bezel selfie camera. It's a stubborn design choice in 2026, but Sony is clearly sticking with its no distractions philosophy. Battery gets a nice bump to 5,000 mAh with 45-watt charging, and Sony's even pushing 2-day battery life claims. If that holds up, it could be one of the more efficient flagships despite the power-hungry chip inside. And then the fan-favorite features are still here: 3.5mm headphone jack and microSD slot. In a world where most brands have dropped both, Sony is basically doubling down on being the creator's phone. Now the price is where things get controversial. Early listings suggest around 1,868 euros in Germany and 1,728 pounds in the UK. That pushes it firmly into ultra-premium territory. Less phone for everyone, more professional tool for a niche audience. Overall, the Xperia VIII looks like Sony refining its identity rather than chasing trends. No hole punch display, no compromise on legacy features, and a serious camera overhaul. The question is simple: will that philosophy still win in a market dominated by more mainstream flagships? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.